How to remove payment card on Sainsbury's app. It's a very simple and a quick process, so let's jump into the video. Well, if you are on your PC, the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser. Let me head over to Google Chrome. Once you are in here, in the source bar, you have to search for sainsburysbank.com. It will land you on the official page of Sainsbury's Bank. Now you simply have to log into your account. In order to do that, tap on Login or Register at the top right corner of the screen. In the option of Cards, Loans and Savings, tap on Login. It will land you on this interface. In here, you have to enter your login credential, as in, first of all enter your username. And then you have to enter the last 3 digits of your mobile number, as they will be sending you one-time passcode. Once you enter the OTP, tap on Continue. And then you will be logged into your account. Once you have been logged in, you need to tap on your profile at the top right corner of the screen. And then head over to Settings. Inside Settings, move into Payment Method. In the page of Payment Method, you will be able to see all the list of the card that you have added on Sainsbury's Bank. You simply have to click on the card that you want to remove. Once you click on the card, all the information of the card will be visible to you. Scroll all the way down and click on Delete. Once you click on Delete, your payment card will be removed successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can remove payment card on Sainsbury's Bank. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.